welcome to the next math session. Today, I'm going to show you a really quick trick in order to compare fractions. So right now we have two fractions that we would like to compare. That's 2/4, and we're going to compare it to 1/8. Now, there's several ways to compare fractions. You could do pictorial fractional models, circular models. But today, I am going to show you a really cool trick with cross multiplication. Again, that's called cross multiplication. And it's also known as the butterfly method. Okay, it's going to make sense in a moment. So what we're going to do first is we are going to make a butterfly or cross multiply. We're going to take our marker and we're going to draw a circle around 2 and 8. Like so. Then we're going to multiply the 2 times the 8. And 2 times 8 is equal to, yes, that's right, 16. Okay. Next, we are going to cross multiply 1 and 4. So we're going to draw a circle around the 1 and the 4. And hence, we have our butterfly. 1 times 4, or 4 times 1, is going to be 4. So now, essentially, we are going to be comparing the two products, 16 and 4. So we're going to put 16 up here, and we're going to put 4 up here. So when we compare 16 to 4, 16 is going to be greater than 4. Therefore, 2/4 is greater than 1/8. Okay, let's try another example. Okay, let's compare now 4/10 to 2/5. Now there's ways to do that. Just looking at the fraction, I know people immediately said, oh, we can simplify the 4/10 and reduce it down. Or you could do the math trick of making a butterfly across multiplication. So we're going to multiply 4 by 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. So up here we're going to put 20. And now we're going to cross multiply 2 by 10. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. Wow, look at that. So now we're comparing the product of 20 and 20 to each other. 20 to 20 is going to be equal. So 4/10 and 2/5 are essentially equivalent fractions. So here we're going to put they're equal to each other. And again, you can see that before we even did the butterfly method, because if you reduce 4 and 10 or simplify it by 2, if you divide 2 into 4, you get 2. And if you divide 2 into 10, you get 5. So those are indeed equivalent. All right, last example. And this one I would like for you to try. We are going to be comparing 4/7 to 3/5. 4/7 to 3/5. Please stop the video and I'll give you a moment to try by yourself. Okay, so hopefully you try by yourself using our little math trick of cross multiplication, or better known as the butterfly method. So we're going to multiply 4 times 5 first. 4 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 20. Now let's multiply 3 times 7. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So now we're going to compare the two products or the two answers from each multiplication equation. We're multiplying or comparing 20 by 21. So up here we're going to put 20 and here we're going to put 21. Let me say, which is super important, you never want to compare going back this way. You always want to move from left to right. So if we're going from left to right, we're going to compare now 20 to 21. And 20 is what to 21? Yes, you're so smart. Exactly. 20 is less than 21. Therefore, 4/7 is less than 3/5. Thank you for joining me today. If you would like additional help with this, I have put a link down below to link you to a wonderful resource and a wonderful worksheet that you can work on for some extra practice. Until next time, bye.